4 secrets to Skyrocket your online sales. Hey everybody, Sean Cole here, and let's get right to it. We're talking about selling online, and let me tell you, this isn't your grandpa's door-to-door sales pitch anymore. This is the digital age, baby, and the game has changed. Let me ask you this. What if I told you there are 4 secrets that could completely change how you sell online? I'm talking about making more sales, driving more traffic, and doing it in a way that feels natural, not pushy. The best part? These are strategies anyone can use, whether you're selling your first product or scaling your business to the next level. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start selling more today. Oh, and don't forget, I've got something special for you. My ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. I'll share how to grab it in just a bit. Secret number 1, social compliance, the small S. First up, let's talk about social compliance and how it can transform your approach. This is huge, and most people don't even realize it's a thing. It's a subtle yet powerful tool. It's all about getting people to say yes to small things first. These small agreements pave the way for bigger commitments. Think about it. When you walk into a store and someone offers you a free sample, you're more likely to buy from them, right? That initial yes makes a big difference. You've already said yes once, so saying yes again feels natural. It's basic psychology. This principle is known as the foot in the door technique. Now, how do we apply this online? The digital world offers unique opportunities. Let's say you're doing a webinar. You want to keep your audience engaged and invested. Instead of just blasting information at people, ask questions, make it interactive. Get them to comment, to engage. This interaction is crucial. Are you guys enjoying this so far? Engagement keeps the energy high. Drop a yes in the chat if you're ready to learn more. These small actions build a sense of community. These micro commitments, these little yeses, build momentum. They lead to bigger commitments. They create a connection with your audience and make them more receptive to your bigger ask, which in this case is buying your product or service. This connection is invaluable. Look, I'm not talking about tricking anyone. This isn't about manipulation. It's about being genuine. It's about creating a dialogue, a back and forth that builds trust and familiarity. This trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. Think about the people you follow online, the ones you actually buy from. They've built a rapport with you. Chances are you feel like you know them, right? This familiarity is key. Like, they're talking directly to you. This personal touch makes all the difference. That's what we're going for here. So start small. Build that foundation. Ask questions. Encourage engagement. And watch as those small yeses turn into big wins for your business. This strategy is powerful and effective. Secret number 2, trial closes. Now, this is where a lot of people, even experienced salespeople, trip up. They save the close for the very end, like it's some big, scary thing. But here's the thing. Closing shouldn't be a one-time event. It should be a natural progression throughout your entire sales presentation. Think of it like building a bridge. You wouldn't just build one side and expect people to jump across, right? You build it step by step, making sure each section is solid before moving on. That's what trial closes are. Those little steps that bridge the gap between your pitch and the final sale. Let me give you an example. Back in the day, when I was selling wine, I wouldn't just launch into a long-winded speech about grapes and tannins. I'd ask questions like, so what kind of wine do you usually enjoy? Or are you looking for something light and refreshing, or bold and full-bodied? These questions weren't just about gathering the information. They were trial closes, subtle ways to gauge their interest and move them closer to a purchase. And you know what? It worked like a charm, because people love to feel heard. They love to feel like their opinions matter. So Don't be afraid to sprinkle trial closes throughout your presentations, your webinars, your sales pages. Ask questions like, does that make sense? Or can you see how this would benefit your business? These little nudges keep your audience engaged and create a natural flow towards the final sale. Remember, trial closes are not just about closing the sale, but about building a relationship. They help you understand your client's needs better and show that you genuinely care about their preferences. So, integrate trial closes into your routine and watch your sales process become smoother and more effective. Chapter 3. Secret number 3. Keep it simple, stupid, or as we like to say in the business world, KISS. Let's talk about secret number 3, and this one's short and sweet. Keep it simple, stupid. Look, I get it. You're excited about your product, your service, your industry jargon. But here's the thing, your customers don't care. They don't have time for complicated explanations or technical mumbo jumbo. They want to know what you're selling, how it will benefit them, and how quickly they can get their hands on it. That's it. So, ditch the jargon, use simple language that anyone can understand, and don't be afraid to use analogies or comparisons to explain complex concepts. For example, let's say you're selling a health supplement with a bunch of fancy ingredients. Instead of overwhelming people with scientific names, use a kind of like bridge. You could say, this ingredient is kind of like a supercharger for your sales. It gives them the energy they need to function at their best. See what I did there? I took something complex and made it relatable. I built a bridge between their understanding and my product. Remember, clarity sells. Confusion does not. So, keep it simple, keep it relatable, and watch your sales soar. Chapter 4. Secret number 4. The emotional trifecta. Emotion, logic, fear. Alright, we're on to the final secret. And this one's a game changer. It's the key to unlocking the true potential of your marketing strategy. It's about tapping into the emotional trifecta. Emotion, logic, and fear. These 3 elements, when used together, can create a powerful impact. Now, before you get all freaked out, let me explain. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature. Every buying decision, no matter how big or small, is driven by emotion. Think about it. Why do people make impulse purchases? Why do people buy luxury cars? It's not just about transportation. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the experience, the thrill, and the prestige. It's about the feeling of success, the status, the envy it evokes. That's emotion at play. People want to feel special and admired. But emotion alone isn't enough. You need to balance it with logic. You need to back it up with logic. This is where you provide the facts, the figures, the proof that your product or service delivers what it promises. This is where you provide the facts, the figures, the proof that your product or service delivers what it promises. Data and statistics are your allies here. So you tell stories that resonate with your audience, stories that make them feel something. Stories are powerful tools for connection. Then you hit them with the logic, the features, the benefits, the testimonials. These elements build trust and credibility. And finally, you sprinkle in a touch of fear. But not just any fear. Now, I'm not talking about scaring people into buying from you. That's just bad business. Instead, focus on the fear of missing out. I'm talking about the fear of missing out, the fear of being left behind. This is a powerful motivator. You create a sense of urgency, a reason why they need to act now. Limited time offers and scarcity tactics work wonders. Maybe you offer a limited time discount, or you highlight the scarcity of the product. Make them feel like they can't afford to wait. Whatever it is, you give them a little nudge, a reason to take action before it's too late. This nudge can be the final push they need. Master this emotional trifecta and you'll be unstoppable. Your marketing will resonate on a deeper level, driving results like never before. Alright guys, we've covered some serious ground today. Social compliance, trial closes, kind of like bridges, and the 3 pillars of emotion, logic, and fear. These are the tools that can take your online sales from struggling to thriving. But here's the thing, knowledge is only power if you use it. So take these tips and put them into action right away. And if you're ready to level up your marketing game even more, I've got something special for you. It's my free ebook. Inside, I'll show you how to use cutting-edge tools to drive traffic, convert leads, and make more sales. You can grab your copy right now at the ultimate guide to in digitalmarketing.com. Don't wait. Your future customers are waiting for you to show up. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like it, share it with a buddy who needs to hear this, and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep building, learning, and growing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.